Hello everyone, welcome to Eras of Technology YouTube channel. Imagine a classroom where every lesson bends to your brain's rhythm, or a study buddy that quizzes you like a game. Welcome to the AI Classroom Quest, where we embark on a journey to discover how AI is transforming education today, tomorrow, in your personal study game. Right now, in late 2024, AI isn't science fiction, it's actively reshaping schools worldwide. The global AI and education market has soared, powering tools that create personalized learning paths and automate the tedious grunt work of studying. Organizations like UNESCO are championing AI to tackle equity gaps, innovating teaching methods to reach underserved students everywhere. Microsoft's recent reports highlight a huge win: student agency. AI tools like adaptive learning platforms are giving learners ownership over their education. Pilot programs have seen engagement boosted by as much as 30%. Think about it. From administrative bots handling grading to virtual tutors explaining calculus at 2 in the morning, IA is freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, the human magic of mentorship and inspiration. Just this month, the Council of Regional Accrediting Commissions dropped new guidelines for the ethical use of AI in colleges. Ensuring academic integrity keeps pace with this technological boom. But this is just the launch pad. The big question is, as a student, how do you actually harness this power? In this video, we'll quest through today's breakthroughs, tomorrow's wonders, and the ultimate AI toolkit for your success. Buckle up, education is evolving, and you're in the driver's seat. Let us dive right into the front line of 2024, where AI is supercharging both equity and efficiency in education. TechRevel reports a staggering 62% jump in test scores for students using personalized platforms. These tools adapt to your unique learning style. Are you a visual learner? You'll get more videos. More of an auditory learner? Here come the podcasts. It's that simple and that effective. The World Economic Forum has even declared AI literacy a core competency for the modern world. Frameworks are being developed to empower kids to wield these powerful tools confidently and ethically. So what does this look like in practice? You've probably already seen it. Duolingo's AI tweaks your language lessons mid-session based on your mistakes, while Khan Academy's bots can diagnose gaps in your math knowledge almost instantly. For you, the student, getting started is easy. Use a tool like ChatGPT as your personal flashcard creator. Just prompt it, create 20 biology flashcards on cell division, and include a mnemonic for each. Boom, you've got a customized study set ready for spaced repetition. Harvard's graduate guide suggests taking it a step further with branching prompts. Feed your lecture notes into an AI and ask it to summarize the key themes and then quiz me on them. This is active recall on steroids. You can also revolutionize your workflow. Use an AI to generate mind maps. A prompt like, visualize the essay structure for a paper on climate change, can save you hours of brainstorming and spark new ideas. Here's a pro move. Use AI to analyze complex documents. Upload a research paper to a tool like Claude and ask it to extract the pros, cons, and counterarguments. It's an incredible shortcut for debate prep or critical analysis essays. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Elon University's student guide wisely warns us to cite our AI use ethically. Treat it as a collaborator, not a crutch. This approach helps you build real, durable skills. You also have to acknowledge challenges like access, but the good news is that powerful, free tools like Google Gemini are helping to level the playing field for everyone. So here's your quest tip for the week. Experiment. Pick one AI tool and track how it impacts your study time. See if you can cut it down by 20%. Now it's your turn to share. What is the first AI hack you are going to try? Now let's gaze into our crystal ball and peer into the world of 2030. In the near future, AI isn't just aiding education. It's architecting a whole new paradigm. Education 4.0. Market projections are astronomical, with some estimates suggesting the industry could rocket past $100 billion by 2031. We're talking about fusions of AI, augmented reality, and the Internet of Things, creating truly immersive learning worlds. IoT World magazine envisions classrooms where history comes alive. Imagine walking through the streets of ancient Rome, guided by holographic figures, all powered by AI and AR. The World Economic Forum sees this as a revolution that keeps humans at the center. With AI handling the rote learning, teachers can focus on amplifying equity and preparing kids to become innovators themselves. UNESCO is already flagging the big ethical questions we'll face, like job shifts for educators, but they're also charting a course toward an inclusive future. The OECD's 2030 Skills Framework highlights how AI will help us move beyond memorization to foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. So, what are the student superpowers of the future? By 2030, your personal AI agent might draft your research reports or simulate your final exams. Guides from universities like St. John's suggest using AI to generate project plans. You could ask it to outline a thesis on AI ethics, complete with potential sources. UNC's Learning Center points to generating infinite practice problems. Need to master calculus? Generate 10 derivative problems with step-by-step solutions? Online communities are already buzzing with ideas. Students are using AI for rapid skill building, asking it to read this dense academic text and summarize it in simple terms. Professor Ethan Malik suggests using AI for what-if scenarios to hone foresight, like what if current climate policies fail? Brainstorm 5 creative solutions. The future of learning is lifelong, with AI coaches adapting to your career pivots and personal growth. The challenge for you will be to find the right balance, letting AI amplify your abilities while you provide the innovative human spark. Your future diploma won't just be a piece of paper. It'll be a testament to a mind forged by AI and guided by a human heart. No great quest is without its dangers, and the journey into AI in education has its ethical edges. The latest statements from accrediting commissions urge transparency. You have to disclose when and how you use AI to avoid academic pitfalls. Looking ahead, one of the biggest future risks is bias amplification. If an AI is trained on biased data, it can perpetuate stereotypes. This is why UNESCO is calling for the use of diverse and representative datasets to build fairer systems. Let's dive deeper into your student toolkit. Beyond the basics, academia is buzzing with specialized apps. You can use Notion AI to organize your notes and research seamlessly, or a tool like Perplexity for deep dive research. A prompt like compare and contrast the leading theories on quantum entanglement gives you a synthesized overview in seconds. Here's a pro workflow to integrate these tools. Scan your handwritten notes. Use a paraphraser like Quillbot to refine the text, and then run it through Grammarly's AI for a final polish. It's like having a whole editing team at your fingertips. Harvard encourages students to use AI as a sparring partner. Finish your draft and ask it to critique my essay on social equity. Getting instant, unbiased feedback is a game changer. Looking toward 2030, experts predict that AI will handle the creation of evergreen course content, freeing up educators to become mentors. And for you, the student, you'll become the curator of your own personal learning path, charting a course that's uniquely yours. Here's a final tip. Take a few minutes each week for reflection. Ask yourself, how did AI boost my learning this week? This practice builds powerful meta skills, helping you learn how to learn. Quest is drawing to a close, but yours is just beginning. AI is transforming education from a one-size-fits-all factory into a personal forge, where your learning is powerful, profound, and uniquely yours. From the literacy push of today to the immersive realms of 2030, AI is your greatest ally in ACing your studies and shaping the world of tomorrow. So start today. Pick one tip from this video and try it out. What was your first AI study win? Let me know in the comments below. If this Odyssey inspired you, give this video a like for Learner Leaps, subscribe for more tech treks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and remember to quest on and learn bold.